Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vavilova and I am excited to play a whole bunch of tests for RCM Grade 10 Intervals 2015 edition. So this is test number 6 and I decided to test all of the intervals including and above perfect fifths. So perfect fifths, major, minor, sixth, major and minor seventh, octave, and major and minor ninths. So sometimes students have a little bit more difficulty identifying wider intervals. So I think it's a good idea to target these specific intervals and see how you do. So I'm going to play 20 intervals and below I'm going to post the answers. I will leave a little bit of time in between so you have a chance to write your answer, but ultimately you can pause the video yourself or replay it to give you another chance. Okay, let's do it. Interval number 1. Interval number 2. Interval number 3. Interval number 4. Interval number 5. Interval number 6. Interval number 7. Interval number 8. Interval number 9. Interval number 10. Okay, we are halfway there. Moving on to interval number 11. Interval number 12. Interval number 13. Interval number 14. Interval number 15. Interval number 16. Interval number 17. Interval number 18. Interval number 19. And interval number 20. How was that? I think it was okay. Please let me know what you think about the test and let me know what else you need help with. And I'm happy to make more videos. But don't forget to subscribe, and if you find the videos useful, like my channel and like my video. And I'll see you in the next test.